Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. And if you're looking to try out good Dominican coffee, well, this is the brand you should definitely be getting. This is Induban Gourmet coffee, and I love it because it has a soft taste and it's not watery either. I drink unsweetened black coffee because I'm trying to reduce sugar intake. And this is the perfect brand for me because I can drink it without sugar and not feel that bitterness that sometimes comes with coffee. I like to grind it myself, so I get it in whole grains. And I also like mixing it with cinnamon and nutmeg to give it that extra flair. And even though it's soft, coffee drinks made with this brand won't taste watery, which is fantastic. So, if you're looking to try out Dominican coffee for the first time, I think this is a brand that you should definitely start with. That is why this is a brand I prefer buying, and that is my point of view.